So we have made it to the Lake District, and honestly, I'm starting to understand why people call this God's country. Disaster.
Just don't let the spin get you down.
We're in the town of Hawkshead. Made it to the Lake District. I'm trying to find somewhere to eat, but everywhere closes at 7. Can you imagine? So it's our last chance over there. It's called the Poppy Red. Yeah, see how it goes. All right, so here we are. It's day 2. We're starting off in the Lake District, and we're now gonna make our way towards Glasgow. But first, coffee.
Hold on tight and you will last. Keep your self-respect, your manly pride. Get yourself in gear, keep your stride. Never mind your fears. Brighter days will soon be.
Right, so we've landed in Glasgow. It's raining, and honestly, it's not the most impressive of cities. It reminds me, why you laugh? It reminds me of. Oh, do you want to get? Yeah, oh, okay. It reminds me of the crackhead cities in Kent, like Chatham, Rochester. Do you know the places there? That's what it reminds me of. But we're gonna go find some coffee, because coffee first. And
Take it from me, someday we'll all be free. Take it from me, someday we'll all be free. Just wait and see, someday we'll all be free. Take it from me, someday.
we're about to leave now on the ride to Inverness. We're gonna stop at Fort William or other nice destinations just to see. But last thoughts on Glasgow, honestly, in the 2 hours since we've been here, it's grown on me. It's the kind of place I could see myself in.
Waking up till I can't do this anymore, text. And the Bible said I can't have any more sex till marriage. No trip to Paris, some meeks will flourish. So where's my heiress? Wouldn't understand out there in this era. Your friends are staring, everyone's a Karen, claiming that they caring. Wasn't given a fair hand, ain't called for parents. Got calls for prayers, now soft from their hands. I forget what fear is, I forget what fear is, I forget what fear is. Other than the fear of the Almighty Yeshua. Who knew you before you knew who you was? Wear down the teeth for you respond to me. Y'all know honesty, y'all all honor me. I know cause the headlines why she wanna leave. You know I follow God, so you should follow me.
Take it from me, someday we'll all be free.
I ain't never.
So halfway towards Ben Nevis, and we had to stop to take in some of these views, man. Hard to believe we're still in the UK. Hard to believe we're still in the UK.
But none of y'all, no way. And I'm pulling up in that white OJ. Used to wear a watch filled with the O'Shea's. Jackson, if you're nasty. Tweeted DEF CON, now we past 3.
Take it from me, someday.
Tweeted DEF CON, now we past 3.